this is Bosslady Shruti, and today I wanted to do a video that I've been wanting to do for almost 3 months now. This is all the things that I got on my recent trips to Netherlands, to Dubai. I mean, the first time in December when I came and all of that. I have a ton of stuff that I want to share with you guys. So I thought I will kind of break it down in 2 videos. So today I will be doing kind of makeup, skincare and those kind of bits. And the next video I will do only fashion and that. Otherwise I figured that this is going to be too long a video because like I said, these are things that I collected for over 3 months. So yes, let's get started. So the first place that I went to in the Netherlands is this store called IC Paris, which is ICI Paris, but they call it IC Paris. So it is kind of like a smaller version of a Sephora wherein they store a number of international kind of high-end brands. And the great thing about IC Paris is that they have major discounts on these high-end products. I'm not really sure why and how, but I was very happy to know that they do. And the 2 brands that I was very happy when they said that they have a 30% off is Clinique and Estee Lauder. So I was like, yes! Because here, I mean, at least in India, those brands never go on sale. So the first thing that I got is the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This is what it looks like. This is a massive tub jar pumped thing of this moisturizer. I have tried this moisturizer before and it is amazing for acne prone skin. So this is a 200 ml bottle, and the reason why I got this is because the 200 ml bottle was for the price of the 125 ml bottle, and the 125 ml was on a 30% off. It can't get better than that. So it was almost like I'm getting this for kind of like say 50 or 60% off. So I had to get this, and like you can tell, I am kind of down quite a deep bit considering that I've used it for so long. So yeah, I'm very happy that I got this, and this was the first purchase. The next thing that I got was the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. I'm in the shade SW1 Bronze. I have used this in my Insta tutorial which I posted a few days back. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, please follow, because I am doing Instagram exclusive content from now on. I'm trying my level best to do so. So follow me there if you aren't. This is something that I've seen everybody and their mother tell me how amazing it is. And also a lot of Indian YouTubers, I have seen them rave about this foundation. So especially when it was on 30% off. So I was like, this is a good time to try this. I have to say that this is a little more bronze compared to my color, but I don't mind that because as the summer is approaching, I don't mind that bronze glow on my skin rather than like a gray cast which is caused by a fairer foundation. And I have used this. I used this a few days in Dubai and over there, and it gave me such a beautiful finish, and it stayed in place throughout the day, did not budge, did not break even on my acne prone skin. So I am loving this foundation at the moment. So when I was looking around the store, I saw that they also stock sleek makeup. So when I was at the sleek counter, I remembered Nikki from Nikki Tutorials really rave about this sleek highlighter palette. And I believe the one that she mentioned was for fairer skin tone, but the one that I saw kind of, I felt that it suits my skin better. This is the highlighter palette in Cleopatra's Kiss. First of all, let me take a minute to appreciate the packaging on this one. Like, oh my goodness. Honestly, I think I bought this only for the packaging, but not to take away from the product. This comes with 4 beautiful highlighters, which are 2 cream finishes and 2 powder finishes. Even the powder finishes are like creamy, buttery, so blendable, and I actually used all 4 of them on my cheek. I put an Instagram picture. I will try and search it and insert it here if for your reference, and it gave me the most blinding glow ever possible on the face of this earth. This is such a beautiful palette. I cannot reinstate how happy I am after purchasing this. Love it. The next thing is something that I just had to pick up. If you guys have been following me for quite some time, you know what a big fan I am of the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. And I was actually kind of getting a little sad knowing that my current one was getting over. So when my travel plan and everything got set up, I was so happy when I saw this. And the first, I think I saw this at the Amsterdam airport, and this was like kind of the first thing that I got right at the airport itself, or right outside the airport. So I got another Maybelline product, so it was kind of a deal. I don't unfortunately remember the prices of each, so I'm very sorry, but I'll try and list the price that I see of it online. Anywho, you guys know how much I love this mascara, and the good news is that I have seen them stock this mascara in Dubai, so mama is really happy. One good thing about Dubai is that it stocks Maybelline mascara, my favorite Big Shot. So yeah, when I saw this, I had to get it. No questions asked. I need it. So like I said, I got another Maybelline product. This is the Tattoo Brow in dark brown. Like, this is kind of like a tint for your eyebrows. I've seen a lot of these kind of products do the rounds, but a lot of them were kind of these things that you get off of Amazon, and you know, which I was not sure how it would work, etc. But I kind of trusted Maybelline as a brand to kind of work this trend onto a good formulation. I haven't tried this out before, but I'm very excited to see if it works on my eyebrows or not, because mama always has trouble with eyebrows, because some days they are good, but other days I am like Shinshan. So to prevent my Shinshan days, I think I'm going to give this a go. Next up is the Benefit Professional. I used this also in my recent tutorial, and I have to say it is everything that it claims. It's kind of one of those OG products, you know, that everyone talks about, and it's kind of like a cult favorite at this point. And believe it or not, I had never tried it before this, and I have to say it does everything that it claims. It fills in the pores, and the texture of it is not very thick, so it glides on your face very smoothly, giving you a beautiful canvas for any makeup that goes on top. So I am very happy I got this. This also I got at the duty free because it was a better deal. So yeah, duty free shopping, yay! Next up is a bundle from Clinique that I got from the Dubai duty free. This is the Clinique Loves Dubai bundle. This is all the things that comes in it. It comes with the eye cream, mascara, kohl, and the Take the Day Off liquid makeup remover. I felt that it was a good price for this bundle, and also because I've been meaning to try the Clinique mascara, and I actually gave away the kohl to my mom because I realized I don't honestly use kajal or kohl that much these days, very rarely, and I felt like if I give it to her, she will make better use of it, so that is why I gave it to her. I've also been using the Clinique under eye cream for my day, because the medication that I'm currently having for acne, Exhibit A, is making my skin really dry and flaky, and even during the day I feel like I kind of need some kind of hydration for my under eyes, so I'm using that for my under eyes for my day, and I think it's working pretty well. Next two products are from a Middle East brand that I was introduced to in Dubai here. This is from this brand called Mica or Mica G. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. This is the bronzing stick. It looks so beautiful. This was actually out on like sale. I don't know why, but I was very happy. You can see how beautifully and easily it blended into the skin, and like I said, with the summertime coming, I kind of like the tan and that bronzy glow look, especially in the summer when your skin looks sun-kissed and glowing and just radiant, and I felt that this product would be great for creating those kind of looks. Also, because of its blendability, I have a feeling it will look very good, you know, kind of to put on your collarbone or just where you want that tan to show. So I was very excited when I saw this, and that's why I got it. And it was only, I guess, 19 dirhams. So definitely a yay. I went to the Kiehls counter in Amsterdam when we went to visit the Madame Tussauds. So after Madame Tussauds, there was this place called Bijenkorf, I think that's how it's pronounced. It's like a huge departmental store, and I wanted to go to the Kiehls counter. Actually, I wanted to get this dark spot corrector because I have a lot of acne scars and dark spots on my face. So I went there to the counter to actually get that, but the Kiehls skin specialist over there kind of recommended that I go in with this one. This is the Nightly Refining Micro Peel Concentrate. She said that if that is what my actual skin concern is, I should go in for something like this, because this is kind of like a micro exfoliant at the that I can use in my nighttime skin routine. The way it works is that you put it all over your face and it actually helps exfoliate your skin, and it is a little tacky in texture, but once the your night cream or moisturizer goes on top, that stickiness kind of goes away. I haven't tried this out just yet, so I'm waiting to try this, and if it does what it says it does, I think it's going to be a godsend for me right now. Next up, I have 2 body lotions. So this is not too exciting, but I just wanted to still mention it because I feel like nobody talks about body skincare and body skincare routine as much as they should be, and we all take care of our face and everything that we put on top, but we kind of tend to neglect our body, but we shouldn't, and that is why I have this Nivea body lotion, aloe and hydration. This is such a brilliant product because when the summers are here and it's hot, I hate it when there are these lotions which are very sticky on you, and it takes a while for you to wear clothes and your jeans don't go up because they are like sticking to your body lotion. It's a very icky feeling, just personally for me. So that's why I like something which is cooling at the same time absorbs really fast in the skin, and I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I have to say this is amazing. But when I need a little more hydration, I go in for the Nivea Nourishing Intensive Body Care. So this is something that was introduced to us by Shayla, because this definitely gives you a really beautiful glow once you wear it, because it is at the back of any Nivea body lotion, it will tell you how much of hydration this has, and this has the max hydration. So because of that, this has a high oil content in the cream, and hence it gives you that really kind of slick feel. The only downside to this is that it does make you feel a little sticky icky. So when I kind of want the best of both worlds, I mix the two in, a little bit of this, a little more of this, and then apply it to my body so that I don't feel sticky, but at the same time I get the hydration that I need. Last but definitely not the least, I want to touch up on the topic of sunscreen, because I feel I struggle majorly with getting a sunscreen that suits my skin. A, I have oily skin. B, I wear makeup almost every day of my waking life, and I need a sunscreen that works with both of these conditions. A lot of sunscreens that I have used are either the ones that cast a white cast on your face and any makeup that you do on top looks really grey and ashy, or B is very low in SPF and it's kind of like you're not wearing any SPF or sunscreen, or C wherein it is too greasy and any makeup you put on top kind of slips and slides. The weather here in UAE, especially in the months that we are coming on to, like April, May, etc., is going to be hot as hell. So I was looking for a sunscreen that will kind of work for me. I came across this one, Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration. This has got 30 SPF. I'm really not sure if this is available in India, but honestly, when I tried it, it was like godsend for me. I'm just taking a little bit of this on the back of my hand, and I just want you to see how, like, I didn't even have to do anything, and can you see it gives a slight glow and it absorbs into the skin so quickly. I was just like, I need this in my life, and I have to say that I have used it underneath my makeup quite a few times, and my makeup looks flawless underneath it. So this is honestly all my sunscreen prayers answered. Okay, so that is kind of all the major things that I wanted to touch upon, but there are a few miscellaneous items that I want to share with you guys. You know, the kind of items that are there at Primark when you're just going and they're like,
you want this? It's only €1. You want that? It's only €3, and you just get sucked in.
These are just those items that I wanted to share. So A, they're really cheap, and B, I've actually tried out these few products and they're very, very good, actually comparable to a few things that you spend a lot of money on. So quickly, I got this eyelash curler for less than 2 euros. I've been using the Color Bar eyelash curler for the longest time, and mama needs to curl her lashes. Otherwise, I'm just not happy with my mascara situation because my lashes go straight like this, and I hate it when, you know, I spend so much time putting mascara and it just stands straight and not curled. So I have to always curl my lashes, and this has this kind of guard thing, black thingy over here. I don't know what it is, but it really helps your lashes stay curled. And for 2 euros, damn. Okay, next up is something maybe a little weird, but I just wanted to share it with you guys anyways. Okay, so I got this. This is like a cellulite roller. This was again like almost less than 2 euros. 1 euro is like 73 rupees. So yeah, this is like 150 rupees. So I've been getting a little bit of cellulite and nobody likes it. So the reason why I got this is because as I get older, I am hit with a little bit of a cellulite problem, especially on my legs, the back of my legs and stuff like that. And A, nobody wants cellulite, and B, they look ugly. So I was like, if this works on my cellulite, nothing like that. Like, nothing like it, you know. So yeah, it's just one of those things that I got. I don't know if this works, but I just got it. Don't judge me. Alright, the next thing that I'm going to show you guys, when you see it, you're going to be like, what? It's just, I mean, what's the big deal about it? But I have to tell you, it is life-changing. These are a pair of scrub gloves that I got from Primark again. And these are so good. Oh my goodness. All of us tend to take a lot of care of the skin on our face, but we kind of tend to neglect our body. And I realized that myself, and I wanted to bring in a change. And when I saw these, I was just like, oh, it will be nice, you know, when I want to scrub my whole body in the shower, I can just wear this. It's easy peasy and just go zook and done. Trust me, I've been using this for the past 2 weeks, and this has helped my skin become so smooth and so soft. I wear these in the shower. I put some scrubbing gel or like a shower which has a little scrubby ingredients in it, and I just scrub my whole body nicely into a lather and kind of massage it on my skin for a good 5 minutes and then wash it off. Oh my god, my skin feels so smooth. And then on top, when I put my body lotion, then I'm just like, Chandan sabadan chanchal chitvan, ye dekh ke mera dil muskaya. Honestly, I'm telling you guys, this is how I feel. So I don't know where you will get this. I will try and find a link for it on Amazon or something like that. But if I can't, I'm really sorry. But if you can get your hands on this, this is worth every penny. Get it right now. So yes, those are all the things that I got from my recent travel. And I know a lot of you guys will be like, hi, you got so many things and like paise jhaad pe ugte hai kya and all of that. So to put all of that to rest, let me tell you, A, I had just gotten married. And B, you know how marriages work, like reception ke time pe people come and they are like, oh, congratulations, here's something for you. And sometimes it's a gift card, sometimes it's a little bit of cash, and I'm like, wow, shopping money. So honestly, that is what happened, and I was very happy that my wedding and the gifts and all of that was right in time before I went for my trip. So easily I did so much shopping. That is why I indulged a little bit, if I may say so. So yes, that is that. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, because we make fun videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and travel. Hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I make a new video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.